Taxes, budgets, bookkeeping, profit and loss. These words make most people nervous, but what if I told you finance is actually simple? Welcome to ClearAccounting, where we make money make sense for everyday Pakistanis. My name is Aysha Zulfiqar, a qualified accountant and financial analyst from Lahore, Pakistan. I have a degree in accounting and finance, years of experience in bookkeeping and financial analysis, and one mission: to make finance simple, clear, and accessible for every Pakistani, whether you're a student, a business owner, a salaried employee, or just someone trying to manage their money better. Here's the truth: most of us were never taught how money works. School taught us algebra and history, but nobody taught us how to file taxes, how to read a salary slip, how to save during inflation, or how to manage a small business budget. And in Pakistan, where the economy is always changing, where Fiverr deadlines catch people off guard, where small businesses struggle with basic bookkeeping, financial literacy is not just helpful. It's essential. That's exactly why I created ClearAccounting. This channel is your go-to resource for everything finance, explained simply, in a way that actually makes sense. Every week we will cover topics like how to file your taxes with Fiverr, how to read and understand your salary slip, budgeting and saving tips for Pakistani households, bookkeeping basics for small businesses, financial tools you can use for free, and so much more. Whether you are a fresh graduate stepping into your first job, a small business owner trying to keep your accounts organized, a freelancer figuring out taxes, or simply someone who wants to understand where their money goes every month, ClearAccounting is made for you. With a background in accounting and finance, certifications in financial analysis, bookkeeping, QuickBooks, and data analytics, and real experience working with businesses, I am here to give you practical, trustworthy, and easy to understand financial guidance. Not complicated textbook theory. Real knowledge you can actually use. So if you are ready to take control of your finances, understand your money, and build a better financial future, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. New videos every week, because your financial education starts here, on ClearAccounting. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.